You have agents to serve your end customer and agents to help your employees work better and more effectively. But your integrations don't allow it. You're stuck. The company is stuck. And again, this is the foundation. Far from the hype of a new LLM or something specific, it's a problem we are all familiar with, an integration problem. How do I unlock integration so I don't end up stuck in an eternal POC? So I can actually deliver value with AI? So I can implement a business model that doesn't hold me back and doesn't cause a data leak? And that's where the analogy of the backbone comes in. Put the brain up there, an agent, a model, an LLM, whatever, some autonomous agent that does something. All right, it's a brain. But a brain alone inside a jar isn't going to do much. Without information, stimulus, or a way to interact, it's not very useful. It might be intelligent, but without context, it's just empty. So what gives it context? Old acquaintances, APIs, integrations, databases. And here comes another old acquaintance, legacy systems, legacy information buses, duplicated APIs, poorly developed APIs, poorly built integrations, too much latency, the same old issues, but now on steroids. Now I have a bunch of little brains hungry for information, but they only have an old channel to consume it from. All I'm doing is adding problems, just stacking up more issues. Again, I'm not here to tell you about some revolutionary AI that's actually going to solve this problem. This problem is too complex for AI to solve. This is a serious architectural problem we all have, and it needs to be solved in multiple ways. It's not a one-way issue, and several tools exist. Again, there are more tools than just these. I'm focusing on the tools we see most often. Underneath this backbone, the brain inside a jar, it doesn't mean much. If you give it context, put a backbone in it, and give it context, then yes, it becomes specific, something that can really change the business. How do I give it context? Familiar names iPaaS API Gateway. Hey, Taquito, what's that got to do with AI? Where will AI get data? I don't know. Can't I create something specific for AI? What for? If I already have it, why not reuse what I already have, which was probably well built, giving it the proper context?